How's it going, everyone? I hope everyone had a pretty good holiday season. 2025 was a pretty good year for this channel, especially knowing where I came from, where I was just playing around with my Ender-3, to having this wall of filament and all these 3D printers now in my collection. It's a truly wonderful experience. Gotta say a big thank you to all the sponsors throughout the years reaching out and sending me all these freebies. I couldn't believe that somebody would actually send me an email saying, hey, do you want a printer? Sure, yeah. Like when I first started this channel, something like that would be really unexpected, right? It's something you don't really expect. I started out this channel just wanting to make videos on my projects that I've done, right? And the channel started out with a Ender-3 unboxing. So from Ender-3 to where I'm at now, it's truly a wonderful experience. And a big thank you goes to everyone who watches my videos, likes them, and support me by buying products that I'm advertising, because that actually helps a lot. That's one way that I made money this year, is by essentially making the videos. You guys buy products and I get a small affiliate from the sale, right? The main idea behind the channel is to do projects, as the name suggests, the 3D printed project. That's what you're going to be seeing here when you come in, right? But yeah, once in a while I will do a review on some of the products that sponsors send, because that's one way I make a little bit of money. So hope everyone gets to appreciate those videos, because you get to see the product, you get to see if it's something you really want to buy or not. So it's an ad, right? You're watching an ad. But anyway, this year I want to focus on making models that actually have some sort of impact in the 3D printing community. Recently I've been making fun projects for some of my co-workers. It was Christmas after all, and I am pretty late to the party with my gift giving. These are some of the things that I've currently made. This here is a small joke from Parks and Recreation, the TV show, where Ron Swanson went to Lowe's and he gets approached by one of the workers at the retail store and asks Ron Swanson if he needs any help. And his only response is, I know more than you. So this is a gift to one of my co-workers that is a know-it-all, right? Essentially, he likes to know every bit of information about everything. So yeah, and also another joke at the bottom. Yeah, so this here was a gift from another co-worker that works in a tool department. So I figured he would understand the joke. You know, stud. I actually had to explain it to some people what this joke means, but if you know, you know. And my recent make was this a Winnipeg Jets stand sort of thing. This is for a younger coworker that you can tell because I put a little joke in here. If you know, you know. I'm not gonna try to understand what it means. I just know that that number 6'7" supposed to mean something. I have no idea what it means. So anyway, he's a younger person. I thought 6'7", that's something he will understand. Anyway, let me know what you think about all these 3 models that I've made. Sorry, 4 models. The 4th one I already brought to one of my coworkers, which was a small log cabin with a funny sign above it. Yeah, so I don't know. I've just been recently obsessed with making business card holders, right? Yeah, I don't know. I'm having lots of fun making the actual models. I know I've been kind of delaying releasing any videos just because it was a holiday season. I thought I'll give myself somewhat of a break, right? Speaking of holidays, I gotta say a big thank you to PCBWay for sending me this nice gift package. Really love it. Comes with 2 teacups, a scarf, bunch of toys and stickers. Yeah, really appreciate PCBWay. Again, when starting out this channel, I had no idea I'll have so many sponsors reaching out and wanting to do work with me. It's truly amazing because all of this happened in this room, right? BIQU, that's another company that's been sending me lots of products that are essentially upgrades for my Bambu Lab A1 printer, and those videos have been doing pretty decent. Of course, people want to see videos when it comes to upgrades to your Bambu Lab A1. So yeah, 2025 was a pretty good year, and wanted to say to all the viewers, thank you for watching. Hope everyone had a good year, and we'll see what 2026 brings us. Alrighty, once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.